How to start a business as a single mom. Hello ladies, welcome to Single Moms Make Money. This is the place where you will gain knowledge on how to make money and provide information to help single mothers be successful. For regular updates, please hit the little cute button and tap the bell icon for future videos. Now let's make some money, ladies. In your desire to create an entrepreneurial venture, are you stalking Google and Pinterest? Desperation has set in now that you're a single parent with so many obstacles to deal with, hasn't it? You realize that the only way to stop scrounging and scraping by is to supplement your income with a side hustle. You've arrived at the stage where you're looking for the finest ways to establish a business. You hope that the extra cash will allow you to treat your children to a movie or a takeout supper now and again. Things they were used to before you and your ex broke up. As a single mother, though, you are practical and realize that the odds are stacked against you when it comes to starting a business. Your challenges are that you only have a high school diploma, lack business skills, have no experience with running a business, and have no money to invest in the business. You're not alone. So many moms want to quit their 9-to-5 jobs and work from home to fit around their children's needs. As much as you want to be a business owner, you fear that you may not fulfill that dream. No worries. This video will show you how to grow the right mindset and harness your current skills to gain the confidence to start your own business. After all, starting a business isn't cheap, and your savings are let's say, not quite sufficient for your goal. That's perfect, because there are several financing options to help you start your business. A matter of fact, certain funds are only available to female-owned businesses. The U.S. Small Business Administration. The U.S. Small Business Administration, or the SBA, has been in existence since 1953. Their primary goals include helping Americans to start, develop, and maintain small businesses. They partner with a variety of public and private organizations to provide their assistance. You may not know that you are more likely to receive funding from your state than you will from the federal government. Federal grants are harder to get, smaller in number, and tend to be claimed quickly. The SBA offers particular assistance to women, especially if they are low income or socially disadvantaged. They handle training and counseling for new and future business owners, but you will not be able to get grants from them. They do handle some loans, but of course, you would be responsible for paying them back. If you would like to see how you could benefit from their help, their website can be found at spa.gov. It is also quite common for the SBA to know about smaller grants that you cannot find elsewhere. National SCORE Association. SCORE is a non-profit agency that is staffed by volunteers and has been in existence since 1964. They provide 1. Business counseling services. 2. Advice to future business owners. 3. Workshops. 4. Special services. Keep in mind that SCORE does not make loans, but it is able to guarantee a few loans to qualified persons each year. You must already have a loan approved by an SBA qualified bank. You'll need a sound business strategy, as well as an IN, to make this happen. If you don't have one of those or are unsure, you might be able to benefit from their free counseling services, which are available by email anywhere in the United States. Yes, but where are we hiding the free money? Loans and counseling are excellent, but we all want to know where we may apply for grants. Well, it's not quite that straightforward. If it were the case, wouldn't everyone start their own business? Depending on the type of business or service you're creating, you might be able to get capital quickly, or you could have to wait. The first place to look is 07.grants.gov, and you may need to spend some time exploring that site. It's crucial to remember that many others apply for the same types of grants you are every day, so there's no guarantee you'll win one. If you do, it will most likely not be immediately away, so you should apply as soon as possible. If you don't find what you need, there may be additional help for you here on womensbusinessgrants.com. Here, the grants that are currently available for women are broken down by state. Many grants that are administered by the state, regardless of the reason, will carry certain qualifications. You may have to have lived in the state, or even a certain part of the state, for some time. I've recently spoken to someone who had to prove that she had been a registered voter for the past 5 years in order to qualify for a grant for her beauty salon. Another listing of grants, this time alphabetically, can be found here. citizentopicsbenefits.com, you will see that there are many other types of grants here, but it is a good way to see if there are any other types of grants that could be applied to your situation. Tips for getting your request for grant money approved. 1. As ridiculous as it may seem, make sure you completely fill out the application. Every year, a large number of applications are turned down because they are incomplete. An aspect of this is that an incomplete application demonstrates sloppiness, which may extend to how you run your firm and utilize your grant money. 2. Before you apply for your grant, make sure you have completed and update your business plan. It's possible you won't need it right immediately, but if you do, it'll be a disaster if you don't have it. 3. Determine whether residency is a requirement for the awards in which you are interested. Many grants are exclusively available to legal citizens of the United States, a few to legal immigrants, and a very tiny proportion to illegal aliens. If the grant was intended for someone else, you don't want to waste your time applying for it. 4. Make sure the deadline is checked, double-checked, and triple-checked. You will not be approved if your application is late, regardless of how great your business idea is, how qualified you are, or how distinctive your application is. Allow plenty of time for the mail to arrive at its destination, or consider paying extra for expedited delivery. 5. Being able to demonstrate that you have made business plans. This could include things like insurance, staff, building sites, and the ability to show the grants committee that you're smart with money. Financial difficulties are one of the most typical reasons for new businesses failing in their first year. You'll have to prove that this isn't going to be you and that you won't waste the grant money. 6. Be professional in both writing and person, and demonstrate that you know what your grant money will be used for. Read the grant material again and again, but if you still don't understand it, look for contact information for someone in control of the funding. 7. On the application, be entirely honest. Even a minor exaggeration could make it appear as though you're trying to deceive the committee, and you'll be ruled out of any future consideration by that committee or person. Many people in the United States wish to start their own business. Funding, assistance, and even loans are all available to assist you. You may be your own boss, set your own hours, and answer to no one if you have the correct funding in place. Now that we're done with the hard part, let's find out what you're good at, and go make your dreams come true. Consider your skill set. 1. Is there something that you are passionate about and, incidentally, good at too? It could be anything from writing to makeup applications. If you're struggling to find your skill set, sit down with a trusted friend over a cup of coffee to pick their brain on how they see you succeeding given your existing passions. Once you've found it, get out there and market yourself appropriately on social media and via networking events and see where it leads. 2. Consider a side career in network marketing. Network marketing is a business concept that allows you to work at your own speed and do business the way you want. It is effective for people who dislike regularity and rules. Taking up a career in network marketing has proven to be a gold mine for many people. By inquiring about the ins and outs with long-standing members, you may determine the company's age as well as its credibility. They're typically really helpful when it comes to passing on information that has worked for them to newly onboarded members. Extending yourself and meeting new people gives you the opportunity to build a network that you will need in the near future. 3. Launch an online course. Is there anything you've had a lot of success with? Creating a unique online course to share your knowledge and advice with a subscription audience could help you create more cash. Furthermore, you would be assisting many others in finding the same path to success that you accomplished. 4. Become a wellness coach. With the recent strong global direction, staying fit and enjoying an overall sense of wellness has taken. If wellness and good health fuels you in more ways than one, outsource your wisdom and personal case study in your own wellness journey by offering to coach those who struggle to stay the course in order to reap the benefits you currently enjoy. So many people battle with this, and you could be the voice they've been looking for to help them bear the fruit of fitness. 5. Open your own shop. Do you have a green thumb and enjoy cultivating flowers and plants? Or how about being the go-to person for gift ideas and unique wrapping techniques that aren't widely known? It could be time to take the plunge and create a specialty shop where you can offer your desired services. Find out what makes your skill unique, and then execute it. It may turn out to be the best choice you've ever made. 6. Start that blog by sharing your journey as a single mom. Blogging is undergoing a transformation. It now also allows you to earn money. You can choose the format in which you want your blog to be published. You could create your own YouTube channel, or write for your own blog, or you could do both. If properly exploited, both forms of content generation allow the owner to earn money. Isn't it intriguing? Put some effort into it and aim for the moon. That's all there is to it. Here are 6 short suggestions to get you started on producing your own lemonade. When life hands you lemons, it's true what they say. As always, ladies, we hope this video brings value and helps you in making your dreams come true. Please share and like this video, so ladies like yourself can be successful. Thank you and toodles.